Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, keeping on with the St. Patrick's theme, I'm sharing a vintage dessert recipe. I have never had this before, I've never made it before, but I'm excited to share it with you today. We're going to be making grasshopper pie. Yes, grasshopper pie. I'm not really sure how it came from this name, but you can use alcohol cream to mint in it. I'm not going to be using the alcohol type. Let me show you what our ingredients are. It's just a few ingredients. It's really easy to come together, and I think it's going to be good. Let me show you. Okay, for the crust, you're going to need crushed Oreos and some butter for your crust. Now, you can also, I couldn't find it, but an Oreo pie crust already made or a chocolate pie crust. If you find those already made, you can make those if you want to do that, or you can make your own homemade, which is what I'm doing. You're going to need 2 cups of marshmallow cream and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and a 1/4 cup of cream de mint, and I'm using the Torani, no alcohol flavored. And this is what's going to give it its green color and its minty taste. So let me show you how we're going to put this together. It's going to be really simple and quick, and I think it's going to taste good. So for our pie crust, we're going to need 18 Oreos and 5 tablespoons of butter melted to make our crust. So I'm going to do 9 Oreos and then mix them with the other 9. That way we can do a little bit at a time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. Perfect. Now I'm just adding that to my mixture here. And I'm going to melt my butter. Going in the microwave. Okay, I'm going to put our, hopefully our butter will mix in there well. Oh yeah, let me move you over here. I have already sprayed my pie pan. Just going to mix my Oreo crumbs with my butter. So we're going to just put our Oreo crumbs right in our pie plate. Then in the bottom. And take a measuring cup and just pack that in really tight in the bottom. Should have probably sprayed. I would recommend spraying your measuring cup first so it doesn't stick to our crumbs. Okay. There we go. Very good. There we go. Yummy. All right, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator while we make our filling. The first thing I'm going to do is add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to beat it till stiff peaks. Okay, we've got stiff peaks, so now I'm going to add 2 cups of marshmallow cream. I got the marshmallow cream in there. Now let's get it mixed up. 1/4 cup of creme de menthe. I'm using the Torani, which is alcohol-free. This is going to give it the mint flavor and the green color. So let's see how it does. And there's our mint green colored pie filling. Let's see here. Let me move you back over to the stove and we'll put you in our pie crust. Okay, so we've got our pie crust out. We've got our pie filling mixed up here pretty well. Feel like. And we're just gonna put it right into our Oreo pie shell. If you can tell, but it's definitely like a mint green. Now you can add green food colored in it if you want more of a green color, but you don't have to, for sure. Okay, I just went ahead and sprinkled some crushed Oreos for the topping. I forgot to get my Andes mints. I think those would be really good, just stuck in here and there. Or you could do chocolate shavings on the top. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight. It's completely up to you. But you want it to chill to set up. You want it to be firm. And we'll meet you back here in a little bit and we'll do a taste test. Okay, guys, our pie I think is set. My son's coming to get some, so regardless, I'm going to cut it. It's been in there for 2 hours. Chad's gonna, oh yeah, it's not set good yet. But that's okay. He can still get a piece. It's still soft. Tastes good. I have a feeling it tastes good. I don't know how it'll look. Hopefully it'll look good. Oh, it wasn't too bad, was it?
Unique looking.
It's an Oreo crust. Anyway, homemade Oreo cookie crust. And first of all, what do you think about the way it looks, Chad?
It's very unique looking. I've never seen anything like that.
Can you hold the plate up to you so you can see it when you try it? It has a homemade Oreo cookie crust. The filling...
Too much crust.
The filling is marshmallow cream with heavy whipping cream whipped. And the creme de menthe Torani.
Do you know why it's called Grasshopper?
No, I was going to look that up. I forgot. I'll have to look it up and insert it in my voiceover.
It's very delicious.
Is it?
It's smooth.
I'm not a big minty person. Are you?
Yeah. You know, like the
Andes candies.
Yeah, those mints. It tastes like
yeah,
that.
it does.
It's like a mint.
I wanted to get some of those
smooth.
to put on top, and I forgot to get them, so I just crushed Oreos on top.
I think this is better than that because that'd be too much.
Too much mint flavor.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not too strong mint flavor at all?
Mm-mm. No, it's definitely got some mint flavor, though.
It does? You like it?
Very refreshing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would be really good for a picnic in the summer.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I'll have to look up why it's called Grasshopper Pie. But it's what came up when I was looking up desserts for St. Patty's Day. I guess maybe where it's green. Yeah. Not really sure. I'll have to check and see. Okay.
It's good.
All right. Thanks for being our taste tester.
You're welcome.
Guys, I had to get back on here. I tried a bite of that pie. It is delicious. Oh my, it's not real strong cream. And I'm not a big, mint. I'm not a big minty person. That's delicious. Oh wow. Let me know if y'all have ever had it. That's so good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any upcoming videos. I'm going to be sharing some more in my St. Patrick's Day series. I've got a couple more recipes to share. Don't forget to check out that bangers and mash recipe that I've already shared. It turned out amazing. type of video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a blessed day. See you in the next video.